I'll be very transparent. Isa ako sa mga galit sa nangyayari ngayon at hindi karapat-dapat. Alam mo, lahat tayo taxpayers and we want to see where the money is going.
Is that something you know?
Well,
The name speaks for itself.
Andres Bonifacio ito. So, bilang asawa ni Oriang, si Gregoria de Jesus. So, napakita dito, of course. Kilala naman natin siya lahat. Pinagdaanan niya, anong ikinamatay niya, what he stood for. Long overdue na dapat mapakita ito. So, of course, we show also equality with both genders and of course yung strength ng isang babae.
How is it working with Lovie Pauline sa film na to?
It's been a long time actually. Honestly, yun nasa 9-10 years in the making. It has been through some challenges, pero sa walang Diyos na itapos din ni Direk Ellen. And very proud to be part of this kasi how ironic na nakasama din ako sa Maria Clara. Tama. How ironic na nakasama ko sa Maria Clara Ibarra sa Andres Bonifacio.
Pero nauna to.
Nauna to actually. So, mukhang ang itsura ko pang period talaga.
Ito ba yung pinakamatagal mong pelikulang ginawa? 10 years?
Actually, yes. Yes. So, it's easy to say na hindi ko makakalimutan. It's very hard also to do. Hindi basta-basta makakapag-adlib dito. And you have to portray someone important. So, everything had to be on point.
Challenges you encounter doing this?
Challenges were definitely yung clothes, yung init, at yung salita. Hindi tayo ganito magsalita dati. So, yung nuances, isa nagpo-pause, very formal ang pagsalita. So, those were the things na pinantayan ni Direk Jeff and Direk.
How was it like working with Lovie following this film? 10 years ago and also parang this year.
Itong last leg, halos hindi ko na sila nakasama. Well, sila kasi nasa ibang bansa na. So, mas ako ang nagtapos ng pelikula and other cast. But, alam niyo naman yung history namin. Kami pa nung time na ginagawa ito. Of course, working with Lovie is a lot of fun. Lalo na being someone who has witnessed her growth sa showbiz and yung caliber niya sa pagdating sa actingan. So, syempre, andun ang pressure. Andun ang pressure na lumevel sa kanila ni Paolo. It was fun and I'm just really glad we were able to finish it and finally showcase it. Kasi at this hard time in our lives ngayon, maraming galit. Kailangan natin ng mga ganito to remind us what we're fighting for.
Can you expound that? Maraming galit.
Baka ma-invite ako sa at maging resource pa ako. Pero isa ako I'll be very transparent. Isa ako sa mga galit sa nangyayari ngayon at hindi karapat-dapat. Alam mo, lahat tayo taxpayers and we want to see where the money is going. And may pag-asa talaga tayo na umunlad sa bilang isang first world country.
Maraming ang nagsasabi na even up to now wala pa rin nakukulong, wala pa rin mga napaparusahan after all the rallies and lahat.
Darating tayo dyan. Lahat naman tayo may hangganan eh. So, I believe, basta gawin lang natin ang tama. Walang violence. Makakamit din natin yung justisya. And kailangan lang natin magtulungan.
Paano ka lang nakarelate sa character mo dito bilang Andres? Ano yung pagkakapareho niyong dalawa?
Marami sa mga roles ko nagpapakita ng loyalty and pagmamahal sa bansa, sa kapwa Pilipino, tulad ng Encantadia, isa akong general. Dito, bilang Andres Bonifacio, yung pagmamahal and standing up to what's right. Yun, isa akong Navy Reservist. So, bilang isang personal ng AFP, naniniwala ako sa dapat may unity. And hindi mangyayari yun kung hindi ka maglilid by example. So, sa lahat ng makakaya kong powers para maging boses ng mga kabataan lalo na ngayon, I will do it. And yun lang naman ang akin eh. We have to all lead by example. Huwag tayo maging corrupt, people will follow.
Ano lang expect ng mga tao rito sa film na to?
Further understanding on what it's like to be nationalistic. and wanting to
Radio
have a better
Mindanao
future.
Network Marketing
Dito,
Media
pinaglalaban natin ang
Relations.
independence natin.
PH.
And I think this is what we need to fuel everything that we want to achieve.
Best Choice Catering.
Listen died din.
Marikina Baker.
Matagal na po ito. Finally, it's coming out on behalf of Lovey and Paolo and yung buong cast.
Silingan
Pareño.
Tom and
Showing na po ang
Sons.
Lakambini sa theater. Please
Organisasyon
support,
ng
please
Pilipinong
understand.
Mananawa.
So we can all together
Light Rail
know
Manila
and
Corporation
fight
and
what's right.
Digital Cinema
Thank you.